Queen. I mean, in the paper. Oh, dear you. God say yes, God will bless you Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sunday and Bones TV crazy, never lazy. The Queen is here. Mwah! Sit with three bleed. I think that event. That's a strength to look to this time. It's nasty. And then your mom come here with your mom face. And then she never come crying a piece. She come put petrol in the fire. By lying on me. If you even hear that, you don't know propaganda that. If you don't know my full and terrible, you never hear me say that. So, when you come and egg man after you say them done me, you know, so my angle on the blood. Kill now. The whole on that share but send message out, me shouldn't done catch me. Me is a leader. Me is not a follower. And I will word and my belief and my word. Me is a wife. Whether it work out good or it real. And that me believe that I name the pan it. I mean name mean a lot to me. So none of thing a lot to me. And name mean a lot to me put pan that. I mean say sit down and these people for this tribe. And I'm a very big dear eyes. For others. And me alone sit down and talk with George. He never send me a request. And me call me after that. For the car. My hurt. My destroyed. My devastated. I'm a hold it like a G until we come to TikTok world. All that we're going over there. Just distract me. And I see some light. I say, what? Every day I'm waiting. I say, my light for truth. Me now walk on my bed there, cut me more and God tell it every minute. And allow me. Make me stay with my evil self. Me know my truth and my word. And if I don't want to sit down and can't help somebody give them 2 apples, I want to know and give them that on me. Me give them 2 apples and go look at 5 more because I know I can get 100 apples. I mean that. Mr. One Christmas, you know. I see my sister get some present. I shall show me the amount of present when she get a mess of book. And so much people get presents, I know me not get one yet. You know what? Me have my own present. And everybody see me as me alright. Come in an anchor. I'm gonna play a victim. I'm always bubbly. So everybody feels me alright. So little things. It's kind of called me and him said to me, said, somebody don't want to do anything for you, do it for yourself, mom. I'm gonna listen to him. So yeah, so I heard you on the internet. I'm a laugh. You see, when she get the 50%, the only present, it's the year after, me have 50. I'm going to buy myself 50%. This I want. The bedroom set. I'm 49 buying it. I'm going to put it on my next page. If I don't have it, it wouldn't make a difference. But it's the work, I'm going to work towards it and get it, I'm proud of myself. So I will never give me no and me not care. Tell me you're not talking about love yourself first. And I hear me. I say, you them fool, you know. Emotion, no matter you love your emotion, if you take you and drape you and back there and kick you. Nobody can stop emotion, no matter how you deal. It's weird in a duration of time. Until certain things hit you again and I say, blood. I saw emotion take you. When you're born as a kid, and you don't cry, the nurse lick you. A God language. Stop telling me. Stop condemning me. Fight me, come off from my page. And I don't know the word to me. Leave them who know the word to me here. Because enough of them over. You see now? I block me a black one. I make sure. I don't know. What kind of fun that you got me off, you know? I'm like when the trigger me have to come in on my arm. The more my son fight me, stronger I get. I'm more keen, I get more beautiful. True. But it's a good joke. Truth is power, you know. Natural, rich in spirit. Me, Queenie, enough people say me don't know my work. Me don't know how powerful me is. I said, I'm me first to know how powerful me is. Me just not stamp on it. Because if me stamp on it, the higher the level, the bigger the devil. You hear that? So certain things. Right now, me not look for my day around 3 months. I mean, enough people are reach out to me. Me not care. What come? Me not tell my soul. I'm powerful. If my days I'm broke right now, the weekend now that I'm a broke. I'm not fish uplift. Miss a labor, miss a brand. I build myself. Understand? Me and some people are still in work. I am working now. I am working. Because I'm a debater, I'm a lecturer, I'm an influence. I work with my rag crazes. Free. From my art. I could have done over TikTok. I may get kinds. I don't want to. When I speak my truth and my art, I'm be peaceful. Thank God for Instagram. I used to say there, say that, and you call me. Anything I made if I need, I'm gone. Any friend, any family, anybody for do it, man. So much kind, night. I'm in a mingle. So am I one? My one. Tell him I love half my brother again. When him look on a reason, say, it's my sister, my Jerry one sister. Say, it's my sister, she not got people yard. As much as this is she not fall of call to people, she not mingle. And that was a golden speech. Because of him happening. I know enough, but him bring it to me that I can't tell him about. I'm not straight. That's why I'm so powerful. Any man take me now to don't trick me and call me and never truth or lie. You understand? I have links, I have connection, I have money, I have power, I have value, I have brand, I have label. It's everything. You know how much people I reach meeting at all different fields and stuff and then give me them number and stuff and see me. Everything is time. Many are call and few are few chosen. Everything come natural. Many are know nothing. I have my come here to give me 200,000 of my spirit. Oh, I collect it. I got half for you work for some people. And look at them. First time work them, we charge them 40,000 Jamaican dollar. That is 200 pounds. Okay? Not even ads me now do. Come not check my damn them. We just saw one my composure. Second time the bad call before work, I get up. Where'd we go? End up on the phone with a lady, which is the boss. Them must have on my page. Them don't lie me I tell. Me not have to tell lie. So, me now I'm office. So I'm so much my child. Me say, I can't give me 20 grand. And say, no, Queenie at 10 grand. I give me. So what? Can't give me 10 grand with that. So when we said 20, the woman on the video call, I said, no. Get me. I want to tell her, please, Mash. What is it? Coffee. Oh, thank you. When it cool. I will be that talk about. What was I speaking about somebody? You don't even want to talk to nobody really, poor Mash. Why poor Mash? Mash have a great friend. And somebody else for poor Mash.
What's wrong? Poor Mash.
King London by son.
What's wrong with poor Mash? I'm alright.
Did I bully you just now?
Bully who? You're gonna bully me.
Okay.
I do the bullying.
You hear that?